In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Adobe Express project by incorporating your own GIFs seamlessly. Whether you're working on a dynamic web page or crafting a unique design, adding a GIF can elevate your work's visual appeal and engage your audience more effectively. To kick things off, you'll want to have your Adobe Express project open and ready. If you haven't already, navigate to Adobe Express and either create a new design or open an existing one that you'd like to upgrade with some animated flair. Having your project set can give you a clear view of where the GIF will fit best and how it will contribute to the overall message and design. Next, let's prepare your GIF for upload. It's important to ensure your GIF complies with Adobe Express's upload requirements. The platform allows for a maximum resolution of 1080 pixels, which keeps your GIF looking sharp and clear without overwhelming your design's space. Additionally, the file size must not exceed 10 megabytes. A larger file might slow down loading times, impacting the viewer's experience, so keeping within this limit will help maintain optimal performance. Remember, you can incorporate up to 7 GIFs per scene, which provides ample opportunity to showcase animations without it feeling overcrowded. Once your GIF is ready and within the prescribed limits, it's time to upload it to your project. In your Adobe Express workspace, look for the Media tool, typically found in the toolbar. It might be named Upload or something similar, but the functionality remains the same. This is your gateway for bringing in external media. Click on this option and then navigate through your device's folders to locate the GIF you wish to use. Simply select the file and it will be uploaded into your project. After uploading, you'll see your GIF appear within your workspace, blending seamlessly with the rest of your design elements. You can now adjust the size and position as needed, ensuring it complements other components in your project perfectly. This is your chance to experiment with its placement and interactions. Consider how the animated element draws attention and fits with your overall theme. Using GIFs in Adobe Express can dramatically enhance the dynamism of your design, capturing the curiosity and engagement of those who view it. Experiment, play around with different placements and animations, and watch your project come to life with personalized animations. With these tools and insights at your fingertips, you're well equipped to make your Adobe Express creations stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.